Hi guys, today we will be solving exercise 8.1 from Introduction to Trigonometry chapter. So let's solve the first question. Let's draw a right angle triangle. Okay, A, B and C. So what did he say? It is right angle at B. Okay, and AB is 24 centimeters and BC is 7 centimeters. Okay, now we need to find AC. AC is nothing but hypotenuse. If you remember Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of the other two sides of a right angle triangle. So 24 square plus 7 square. So 24 square will give you 576 plus 7 square is nothing but 49. Okay, this is nothing but if you add these both you will get 625. That is nothing but 25 square. So hypotenuse square is equal to 25 square. What does that imply? Hypotenuse is equal to 25. So we got this as 25 centimeters. Now let's solve what is sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. Okay, sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. So what is sin A? What is in general sin means? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So here sin A means sin A. What is the side that is opposite to sin A? BC. So that is nothing but 7 divided by hypotenuse we have as 25. Similarly, what is cos A? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side of cos A? 24. So 24 by hypotenuse is 25. Similarly, sin C, opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite sides of sin C? It is 24. So 24 by 25. What is cos C? Adjacent side. Adjacent of C is 7. So 7 by 25. So this is how you solve sin A, cos A and sin B and cos C. Exercise 8.1, second problem, that is find tan P minus cot R. So from figure 8.13. So let's draw this figure. PQR. PQR. So right angle is here and PQ is 12 centimeters. PR is 13 centimeters. We don't know what is QR, but we know that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides of a right angle triangle. Here hypotenuse is nothing but 13, that is 13 square. PQ square is nothing but 12 square plus QR square. 13 square is nothing but 13 into 13, that is 169. 12 square is nothing but 12 into 12, that is 144. Okay, so 169 equal to 144 plus QR square. So LHS RHS, if you bring this 144 to this side, it will become 169 minus 144, that is nothing but 25. 25 is nothing but you can write it as 5 into 5, that is nothing 5 square. So QR square is equal to 5 square. That implies QR is equal to 5. So we got this side also 5 centimeters. Now let's solve tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. What is tan P? Tan P. So tan P is nothing but opposite side of angle P by adjacent side of angle P. So what is opposite side of angle P? QR, that is 5 by adjacent of P is nothing but 12, that is 12. So this is tan P. Now let's see what is cot R. Cot R. So cot R is nothing but adjacent side of angle R by opposite side of angle R. What is adjacent side of angle R? This is 5 by opposite side of R is 12. So what do we get by tan P minus cot R? That is nothing but both are 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. What do we get? 0. Okay. I guess now let's solve exercise 8.1 third problem. So he has given sine A is equal to 3 by 4 and we need to calculate cos A and tan A. Okay. So let's draw a right angle triangle. Let's take A, B, C. So he has given sine A is equal to 3 by 4. We need to find out cos A and tan A. Sine A is nothing but opposite side to the angle A, that is BC, by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, this is right angle. So this is nothing but AC, hypotenuse. So if he has given sine A is equal to 3 by 4, implies BC is equal to 3 centimeters and AC is equal to 4 centimeters. So now we need to find out AB. We know Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square, that is hypotenuse in this square is AC. So AC square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. So AC square is nothing but 4 square. AB square we need to find out. BC square is 3 square. So 16 is equal to AB square plus 3 square is 9. So let's take this to this side. So that will become 16 minus 9, that is equal to AB square. 16 minus 9 is nothing but, what is that? 7? Yeah, 7. So AB is equal to, so this is square, so if it goes this side it will become square root of 7. So AB we got as square root of 7 centimeters. Now we need to find out cos A. Cos A is what? Adjacent side of angle A. Adjacent side of angle A is nothing but 7. Root 7 by hypotenuse, that is nothing but root 7 by, what is hypotenuse? 4 centimeters. So 4. Cos A is nothing but root 7 by 4. What is tan A? Tan A we can directly say that either sine A divided by cos A, or you can also say opposite side of angle A to adjacent side of angle A. So we can solve in either. Opposite side of angle A is nothing but 3. Adjacent side of angle A is root 7. Or if you go by sin A by cos A, we know that sin A is nothing but 3 by 4 divided by cos A is nothing but root 7 by 4. So this means 3 by 4 into this 4 will come up. So 4 cancel and you can get 3 by root 7. In this both methods we will get the same answer. Okay. Fourth problem from exercise 8.1. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. Okay. So what did he give? 15 cot A is equal to 8. And we need to find sin A and secant A. So what is the first thing we will do? We will draw a right angle triangle. What is 15 cot A is equal to A means 15 cot A is equal to 8. It means cot A is equal to 8 by 15. So this 15 here it actually means 15 into cot A. So when it goes to right hand side, it will come below. Okay, so cot A equal to 8 by 15. So what is cot A? Cot A is nothing but adjacent side of angle A divided by opposite side of angle A. What is adjacent side of angle A, AB? What is opposite side of angle A, BC? So cot A already he has given 8 by 15. So implies AB is nothing but 8 centimeters, BC is nothing but 15 centimeters. So now we need to find AC. AC is nothing but hypotenuse. So we know Pythagoras theorem equal to AC square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to squares of sum of squares of the other two sides of right angle triangle. So okay, AC square is equal to, what is AB? 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square is nothing but 8 into 8, that is 64. 15 square is nothing but 15 into 15, that is 225. So let's add both. So we will get 289. So 289 means I think it is 27 into 27, 7 to the 14. Sorry, 17. 7 to 49, 7 1 just 7, 11, 1 7 just 7, 1. So 6 is nothing but 17 square. So implies AC is nothing but 17. So we got AC as 17 centimeters. Now finding sin A is very easy. Sin A is nothing but opposite side of angle A divided by hypotenuse, that is nothing but opposite side of is 15 divided by hypotenuse, that is 17. Similarly, secant A. Secant A is nothing but hypotenuse divided by adjacent side of angle A. So what is hypotenuse? 17 divided by adjacent side of angle A is nothing but 8. So finally we got sine A is equal to 15 by 17. Secant A is nothing but 17 by 8. So now let's solve the problem for exercise 8.1, fifth question. So what it is given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what did it give? Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. So he's asking us to calculate all trigonometric ratios. Okay, before solving this problem we need to know what are all the trigonometric ratios we have. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. So let's imagine, like we can say sine theta girlfriend is cosecant theta because it is just opposite as sine theta. Similarly, cos theta is secant theta. Tan theta opposite is cot theta. Why I am telling this as like opposite is sine theta is nothing but opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse, whereas cosecant theta is exactly opposite of sine theta, that is hypotenuse divided by opposite side of angle theta. Similarly, cos theta is nothing but adjacent side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse. Secant theta would be opposite of it, like reciprocal, hypotenuse by adjacent side of theta. Similarly, tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but sine theta divided by cos theta. That is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. So that is nothing but cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta. So you can write this as adjacent side of theta divided by opposite side of angle theta. So these are the trigonometric ratios. So for any trigonometric ratios we need to write a right angle triangle. So if we think this as A, B, C, so let's take this as theta. So if this is theta, this will be opposite side, this will be adjacent side, this will be opposite side, this will be hypotenuse. Okay, so here we got secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Secant theta is nothing but hypotenuse divided by adjacent side of theta. Hypotenuse is nothing but 13. What is adjacent side to theta? That is BC, that is 12. So we need to find this part, opposite side. So what is secant theta? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. But we know that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides of the triangle. So hypotenuse square he has given 13. 13 square equal to AB square we don't know. BC square is 12 square. 13 square. So this is if we take this 12 square to LHS, it will become minus 12 square. That is equal to AB square. This is nothing but 169 minus 144, that is AB square. So AB square is nothing but 25. So 25 is nothing but 5 square, implies AB is equal to 5. So we got opposite side as 5. So now we have everything for theta. Angle, adjacent side is how much? 12. Opposite side is 5, hypotenuse is 13. So 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 13 centimeters. So now let's calculate all the trigonometric ratios. First, let's start with sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 5, hypotenuse is 13. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 12, hypotenuse is 13. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, that is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So cosecant, we said cosecant theta is nothing but girlfriend of sin theta, that is whatever sin theta does, cosecant theta exactly opposite, like it's reciprocal. So 13 by 5. Secant theta we already know, that is 13 by 12, that is given for us. Now cot theta is opposite of this thing, so 12 by 5. That's it. These are all the trigonometric ratios that we had found using secant theta by is equal 13 by 12, that is given in the question.